Sciences are not just the science we study in school. And of course, all of you know that. Today we have a tarot card reader. Today we have someone who does numerology, the number game, the numbers that assist you to have a better life. So today, Grace is in India and I've just met her in Rishikesh, and as to connect to her, I have done my reading with her. Hi Grace, thank you for coming into Pragya today for us and to bring us this whole array of things that exist. So it's face reading that she specializes in, tarot reading, charms reading, numerology, and a few other sciences. Grace, do you think these sciences went out of the education system of the world?
Yes, indeed it did. So I feel every day is a different day.
Right.
And to navigate your day, if you want to be more in control of your emotion, if you want to be more precise, productive, effective, I think if you embrace this science, it will help you in a way how to follow through the day and make it more impactful.
So basically, it's about you navigating. It's like you using your Google map. Back
Yes.
also in the day, we used to go from A to B. We used to always reach, but we have alternatives. We have assistance. We have sciences. So be it Vastu, be it numerology, be it sciences of the planets and the stars. सारी विद्याएं हम सब यूज करते हैं, सिर्फ बायोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स स्कूल में नहीं करते हैं ना. हम लोग टैरो कार्ड भी करते हैं, हम अपनी एस्ट्रोलॉजी भी करते हैं, न्यूमरोलॉजी भी करते हैं. वैसे ही there are many sciences. It's not just biology, chemistry and physics. It's beyond it. It's used by countries, nations, kings and queens, businesses, business heads. They all use sciences that are just not taught in school. They were literally taken out of the education system, whereas the world's leaders use it even now. Kings and queens have used it over centuries. So these sciences help you navigate yourself to a better day, to a better month, to a better year. Is there some truth to it? Yes, there is a truth to learning alternative ways of life, which is actually created, which was used as per the planetary system of the galaxy, of the solar system, to benefit humanity as elements of the being that we are. We're also made of 5 elements, where it's about those many chakras, it's about those many asanas. It's a whole learning process. Life is about learning. Charms. We have these beautiful charms. All charms have a meaning. We have the evil eye. Evil eye is something used in so many cultures. Sometimes it could come from fear and sometimes not. But how would we know if it's come from fear or not? It's only by learning about it.
If you go back in time, John F. Kennedy used a lot of astrology.
Are you serious? You're telling me John
Yes.
F. Kennedy used
Yes.
numerology?
Elon Musk used it.
Elon Musk, okay.
Elon Musk has married exactly on 28th because he's too particular about the money and he wanted his marriage to be a, good event, a happening event, a wealth game.
So I don't want to judge anyone at Pragya that who wanted to do what. At the end of the day, no one tells us our real secret. Like it's like going for a good face job and nobody really talks about the dermatologist or the cosmetologist. Like that, a lot of people who have done extremely well for themselves, and be it politicians also, they use it for their benefit. Having said that, this has been taken off from the education system.
Yes.
Any other benefits that you can think of? Give me one more benefit, please.
So JP Morgan said, millionaires don't use astrology, billionaires do. So if you really are serious about your life, if you really want to take everything seriously, I think numerology fills all the gap you have or you come from, Of course, karma cannot replace anything, but how to use those karmas in the very specific way to achieve something really early in your life, not for yourself, but for your kids, for your family, for everybody you meet and who are, well settled around you. Because if everybody around you grows, you grow also.
So basically, at Pragya, we feel that if we are not happy ourselves, we cannot impact others. So firstly, let's do it for our own selves. Learning is a part of life and should be done every day. Whichever way, whatever works for you, whatever rocks your boat, or whether is your cup of tea. Either way, it's your job to do your learning at your pace, at your interest. The other thing is, the best of the people in the world have advisors, have these are the cutting edge of making you the billionaire, the trillionaire. A peaceful person, a good mother, understanding what is happening within you, because sometimes we're unable to understand the cosmos.
Yes.
We're unable to understand our energy, why we're feeling a certain emotion on a full moon. Why are we feeling depleted? Because we haven't done any grounding exercises. We have gone traveling from one place of the world to the other, but we are not grounded with the place that we have visited. So all sciences work, guys. So at Pragya, I feel that we should bring these sciences back to the education system, not just India, of the world. We should have systems that give you the opportunity, because some people like numerology, the other like Vastu, the other ones like tarot card. So it's got to be your own decision. If it's your child's interest to learn something which is beyond themselves and which will prepare them for livelihood and future jobs, we cannot ask a painter to be a chef. Likewise, we can't ask a chef to fly the aircraft. These are only sciences to benefit you. Thank you. Thank you.